You guys have been letting me know that you want a hiding system in the horror game kit, and in today's video I'm going to deliver exactly that. So if we go ahead and go up to the dummy here and we get it to chase us like this, and then we run to this drawer and then interact with it, you can see that we can now hide underneath the table, and then when we want to leave we hold E and then we are out, and then the dummy can then chase us again. And then if we go and get under the table in time, you could see that he leaves us alone. Before we start the video, I just want to ask, if you guys enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing. It's completely free and you can unsubscribe anytime you want. Anyways, let's get into the video. Alright, so we're in studio, and the first thing I changed was the actual structure of the kit itself. If we go ahead and go into Explore and open the kit, you can see that all of the folders were replaced with models. This will make everything a lot more smoother and easier when setting it up, because before you'd have to drag everything out of the folders and put it where it needs to be, but instead now you can take the model, put it where it needs to be, right click, and then ungroup it, and it's all there for you already set up. The first thing we're going to do when everything is set up is we're going to make this gray part invisible. Basically, the purpose that this gray part serves is it's the camera part, so when you hide underneath the table, your camera gets locked to that part. That's how you can see like what's in front of you. So we're going to make that invisible because we don't want the player to see that when they're about to hide underneath the table. And while we're on the topic of the camera part, if you want to change where the player can actually see, so if you want their vision to be higher or lower, you just want to drag this brick to where you want their vision to be. So like I said, if you want it to be higher, drag it higher. If you want it to be lower, drag it lower. And the table works in any direction. So if you have it this way, this way, this way, this way, whatever way you have it flipped facing, it won't break on you. The table will always work and they'll always be able to hide underneath it. And something funny that just happened, Roblox just went down while I'm recording, but I'm gonna finish the video anyway. Basically how the whole code works and the whole system works, if we go inside of the jump scare dummy and the pathfinding script, this is the code that finds a player to chase. So we check that the distance isn't too far, that we can actually see them, and that the player doesn't have a value inside of them called is hiding. When we hide in the drawer, we make a new value in the player called is hiding, and that means that the dummy can no longer chase them. That pretty much wraps up today's tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, any suggestions, please join my Discord server linked in the description. We have great staff that tries to help you with any bugs or errors that you may have. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if you guys enjoyed, it would mean the world to me if you can like and subscribe. We're trying to hit 4,000 before the summer is over. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Chase your dreams, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.